In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a Royal Bank of Scotland credit card. Whether you're looking for a card with rewards, one suited for students, or any option in between, this guide should make the application process straightforward and stress-free. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to visit the official RBS website. Simply open your web browser and type in the address https://www.rbs.co.uk. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the top menu where you'll find a tab labeled Credit Cards. Hover over this option to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, click on Compare Credit Cards. This will take you to a page that showcases all the available credit card options they currently offer. Next, you'll need to choose the credit card that best fits your needs. On the comparison page, you'll find various options such as the reward credit card, student credit card, and more. Each card comes with its own set of features, so be sure to take your time in reviewing them. Pay close attention to aspects like interest rates, often referred to as APR, the types of rewards they offer, and any associated fees. Once you've identified the card that suits you best, you'll see a button labeled Apply Now under the card of your choice. Go ahead and click it. This will lead you to the secure RBS application page, where you can begin filling out your online application. Here's where you'll provide your personal details. This includes your full name, date of birth, a history of your addresses for approximately the last 3 years, as well as your income and employment details. Don't forget to include your contact information, as this will be essential for further communication during the application process. Take your time to fill in these details accurately, as any errors could delay your application process. Once you've completed filling in your information, it's crucial to review all the details thoroughly. Double-check each section to ensure everything is accurate and complete. After confirming the correctness of your application, make sure to carefully read the terms and conditions provided to understand your commitments and obligations as a cardholder. When you're satisfied with everything, the final step is to click Submit Application. After submitting, you might receive an instant decision online. However, if that's not the case, RBS might reach out to request additional information or documentation to support your application. If your application is approved, you can expect your new credit card to arrive in the mail within a few days. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to applying for a Royal Bank of Scotland credit card. By following these steps, you can navigate the application process with ease. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your credit card application.